Welcome to this tutorial on how to get all-purpose plastic in Once Human. All-purpose plastic is a crucial resource in the game used for crafting and upgrading equipment. To get all-purpose plastic, follow these steps. First, you need to have a character with a sufficient level and skills to access the areas where plastic can be found. Next, explore the map and look for areas marked with a scavenger icon. These areas usually contain loot and resources including plastic. You can also get plastic by dismantling equipment and items you no longer need. This will give you a chance to obtain plastic and other resources. Additionally, completing quests and missions can reward you with plastic and other valuable resources. Another way to get plastic is by purchasing it from vendors using in-game currency. This method is convenient but can be expensive. You can also trade with other players. This method requires you to have a good reputation and a well-established trade network. To maximize your plastic gain, focus on exploring areas with high-level enemies and loot, and always dismantle equipment and items you no longer need. You can also join a group or clan to increase your chances of getting plastic and other resources. In conclusion, getting all-purpose plastic in Once Human requires a combination of exploration, crafting, and trading. By following these steps and tips, you can get the plastic you need to upgrade your equipment and progress in the game. Remember to always keep an eye on your resources and adjust your strategy accordingly to maximize your progress.